Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can simply view your top tracks and top artists for this month on your Spotify profile. So you're just going to select your name up here and you're going to select the profile section. If you scroll down, you'll be able to see your top tracks this month. It shows like the four top tracks for this month. If you want to see more, just select show all here. And then you can also see the top artists here this month. So there's Taylor Swift, Lizzie McAlpine, Physical Summer, Ariana Grande, Doja Cat, Pink Floyd, Logan Henderson, Nicki Minaj. You can also show all here if you want to see more than those. But that's basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!